Hey folks, Colin here from Sparing Outdoors, and this little upload is of a knot that's very useful to know in the outdoor environment, especially within climbing and pioneering for your lashings. And I'm going to show you two ways on how to do it. The first way is probably the most common way taught to people, and probably the easiest way to do. And the second way is the way I would recommend you should learn how to do it after maybe you've mastered the first way, because once you master the second way, it makes it so much easier for different types of situations. So we'll go ahead here now and I'll show you how the two ways on how to do it. So the first way to do it, we're doing it the looped way. So all you need is a length of rope. Usually an old general purpose rope or an old climbing rope is quite good. And just cut into short lengths so you can practice with. Another thing you need is some sort of spar that you're going to bind it to. And this is loop first, and this is quite easy. So first of all, you'll form a wee loop. Like so. And just copy with me. You form a wee loop like so, going really slow so everybody can learn, and form a second loop on the right hand. And then all you have to do is put the right hand loop over the left hand loop. You can pull this timber in here. Put it over your timber, wherever you want to put it, and pull it. That's the first way how to do a clove hitch. So now we'll move on to the second way, which is a far better way than this one, because to do this one here, you have to form your two loops and you have to put it over the end of something to get it onto something. The other way you can tie directly to wherever you want to put it, and it doesn't have to be put over something. So the second way, in my opinion, is the best way, and for some reason over the years this one seems to be harder to teach. They seem to grasp the first way a lot easier than the second way, but once they're able to do it the second way, they never turn back to the first way. They'll always continue to do it this way. So we'll do it this a wee bit slow and a wee bit awkward for myself here, so I can show you, because then I'll show you how I normally do it. So grab your thing, your rope, put it around your timber like so. Now keep your right hand here with this rope. Now pull the left hand around like so. Take it up around. Put it around the back of your right hand rope, like so. And then tuck it onto this loop that you've already created, and all you have to do is pull, and that creates again your perfect clove hitch. Now if I was normally doing that, that's it the same way. That's it on a carabiner there. You just pop it on like so. So that's it, folks. That's the two ways you can do a clove hitch. You can actually do it single-handed as well, but it's more for climbing when you're hooking it onto a carabiner. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed how to do the clove hitch. So that's the two simple ways on how to do it, and hopefully this helped you. If you're looking at this video, you're obviously interested in how to learn how to do a clove hitch, or maybe you're going to teach others. So if you like the video, give me a wee thumbs up. A subscription would be great, and you can watch some of my other content. And cheers for watching, guys.